What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Alright, guys, so you guys are gonna be a little annoyed, but I'm going to tell you. So my mystery box is not coming till like Friday, but I feel like, I should still give y'all a video. So today's video, we're gonna do DIY clouds. So I don't know if y'all ever seen it. I mean, it's a trend that's been going on for a minute. But you like get LED lights and all that and put them on top of the ceiling and then make it like strobe, like when you turn it on, like it goes through. I know, like, I still gotta explaining stuff, but like I'll just like put a picture so y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyways, you're gonna need a glue gun. You're gonna need cotton balls. You're gonna need Gorilla Tape, glue sticks, and hold on, and poster boards. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys like one at a time what I'm doing. But then I'm going to skip to the next part. Like, I'm not going to do that thing where it's, like, going fast because I feel like that's not unnecessary. So, let's get started. Look at me. I'm going to know how to do it. So, you're going to get some tape. All right. The length doesn't really matter, in my opinion. But, I mean, y'all are totally open to do however you want to do it. All right, so then you're gonna like fold it like this, like end to end. Again, I still gotta explaining. So it's like this, and then you're gonna stick it down like that. So you're just gonna do that, like I say, to like the four corners, just to be safe, you know what I mean? If y'all want to be extra and do it like all around the perimeter, then that's okay, that's totally for you, but that's not for me. So I'm gonna do one more time, then we're gonna go to the next step. And also, like, don't worry about the size, honestly. Like, if one's like smaller than the other, like, that's all right. So make sure y'all see me. Boom. All right, so we'll be right back. I'm gonna be showing you the next step. Okay, all right, guys, so as you can see right here, I stuck the poster board up there after I put the tapes on the back of them. So I'm gonna show you once I finish doing all of it, but I just want you to see. You can put it either way. I just put it that way because I'm not gonna put a lot of it. I have a small wall, ceiling. So all right, guys, so as you can see, I put them up. I know I didn't fill up my whole ceiling just for safety reasons, and I already have lights across the border. So now we're gonna put the lights up. All right. So here we go. It looks funky, I know, but I don't want it to look basic. All right, guys, so we have the lights going. All right, we got our cotton balls. Bunch of cotton balls. We got the glue gun. All right, guys, so here's the final reveal. I'm loving it. Y'all, this took me literally all day to do. Like, I am so exhausted. So yeah, guys, don't hate me. I know I didn't show my process with putting it up, but I did a couple. I used some Gorilla Glue on the thing and then stuck up this stuff. I also realized that you can use cotton balls and like the the stuff in your stuffed animals, like you can use that. Like that makes it look more like a cloud vibe versus the cotton balls. And I used the hot glue gun. Y'all, I ran out of freaking hot glue. So then your girl had to get real ghetto and start using duct tape. But I can barely notice it because I did it cute. Like, anyways, so like I said, I will be dropping this video because my mystery box is not here yet, and I don't want y'all getting mad and like talking trash. But yeah, that took all day. I'm tired. So until next time, make sure you like, subscribe, share, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend's auntie, auntie's baby daddy, stepmom, freaking great uncle. You already know what's up. 300 subscriber. Remember what I said? You can win them AirPods or $75 cash up to you. There's nothing special about entering the giveaway. You just comment when you're the 300 subscriber. So look at my hair. All right, love you guys. Thank you so much for all your support. Thank you guys for 267 subscribers. We are making it up. We are making it up. Your girl was out for 6 months. School was really beating. So yeah, I'm feeling better from COVID. Your girl's about to go back to work soon because I can't keep sitting here doing nothing because then I like get bored. So, but yeah, love you.